Hey guys, this is Shainu. Today I'll be showing you how you can download Jupyter Notebook into your laptop. I'm using MacBook Pro for this demonstration. The steps are somewhat similar in Windows too, so if you're a Windows user, hopefully this is still going to be helpful for you. First thing you need to do is you need to go into your web browser and type in anaconda.com. Once you're here, you will see products. You want to select the individual edition. So this is the free version. You can have a paid version if you want to pay for it. I don't like paying for stuff. So individual is going to do just fine for me. And once you're here, you just need to select the option to download, and it's going to kind of move you all the way down and show you the options you have. So if you're someone who's running Linux, I don't know why, but if you are, or if you're some enthusiast, you have the option for Linux, you have Windows and Mac. So because I'm in Mac, I'm going to be using the 64-bit graphical installer. Just go ahead and click it. It's going to install into your device. I feel like you already know how to install a software into your MacBook or into your Windows or whatever. Anyway, once you have it installed into your laptop, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and run it. So to run it, you just need to type in Anaconda in your search bar or your Finder thing, and it's just going to start. So one of the great things about Anaconda Navigator is it has a lot of options here. You can use this same software to write codes in R, SQL, HTML, a bunch of different options here, and also different IDEs that you can use to do what you need to do. So really what you're here for is Jupyter Notebook. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stick to that topic and click on the launch option there. And it's going to pop up this terminal. Don't be freaked out by that. Maybe you're not freaked out. I don't know. I'm not really sure of your technical skill set, so I just don't want to judge you. But yeah, don't worry about that. It's just going to run in the background, and you will notice a new tab open up in your default web browser. So what you want to do is you want to go into wherever you want to save the Python file under. So I'm going to just be saving it in desktop. So I'm just select the desktop option, and on the top right side you will see new. And you want to select that, and I'm just going to create a folder first before I create a Python 3 notebook, because I just kind of want things to be kind of neat and tidy. So I'm going to go ahead and select the folder option. When you just click on new folder, you kind of get this default folder name, and if you're someone who is very particular about the way you name things, you can rename it by just clicking on the little checkbox and hitting the rename, and here you can just name it Python codes or something, I don't know. And once you have that folder created, we're just going to go ahead and open it up. And here is where we are going to open up our new Python notebook. So we're going to just go ahead and select the new again and Python 3. Similar to before, I'm just going to go back to the second tab again. If you want to rename it, you can just select the checkbox, and I guess because I have it open, maybe. Let me see. Shut down. All right. So if you want to rename it, you can just select it and then rename. That's an option for you. I'll just do that for the demonstration and just open it up again, and it's just going to work fine. The third tab is where it's just going to automatically pop up this notebook. So in this notebook, the first time you're seeing this, you're just like, what the hell? This is very generic. There's nothing. How can I type? That's probably a question that you might have. That's really a question I had when I first started this. Let me show you some quick tips or tricks or whatever you want to call it. So if you're going to code something here, I'm just going to put name equal to input, double quotes, enter your name, and I'm just going to print out name. And to run this code block, first thing is that it's not running line by line. Good thing about Jupyter is that this whole thing is considered as like one code block. So you can see this is all highlighted in green. So if I was just hit the run option here, it's just going to run, and here you can just name it whatever. So I'm just going to put my name, Shainu, and then press enter, and it works. So here you can see it automatically went to a different code block. So say if you want to make your stuff pretty and make it where you're saying, okay, this is variables, this is for loop or something, but to do that you will need to go into this section where you see code and hit the little drop down option. You will see Markdown. So you want to select that, and here you would just type in hashtag for loop. Oh, let me press space. For loop example, and you are just going to do shift and enter, or you can just select the run option to kind of get out of that little block of code or block of Markdown. And here you can see it just became a heading. So here, if you want to type in more stuff, hello My name is Shainu. It's a demo. Check out my website, https shainu.ga. All right, whatever. So here you can see this is a code. It's already preset as a code. What you want to do is you want to just select it and then put that back to Markdown, and put, again, you can either hit run or you can just do shift and enter. That's how it works in Mac. I'm not really sure what your, I guess, hotkeys are in Windows. That kind of translate to the next point. If you want to find your hotkeys, what you want to do is you want to go over this little keyboard option, and here you can see all the do certain things. And so if you're someone who wants to see the line number, so you can just toggle that line number on. Here you see the command Shift L. So this is where you would go to kind of look through all your hotkeys. This is supposed to be a very generic how to get started kind of a video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you want to see something else. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, bye.